Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, you know, as usual, we always tell it to look at the LCD. Yes, man. Today, yeah, man, today, yes, you're going to hear about the Eventide mastermind killer is revealed by Lenky Rye's son. Yeah, man, that's a turnabout nephew, you know, from jungle. So the 144 women who were burned to death. I tell you, you know, yeah, man, that you know, we have done a previous segment, and this man, yeah, he called and says that yeah, it wasn't Jard Flash and the others. Yes, so and you're going to be shocked to hear who it is. And I am telling you, yes. So before you hear this man speak, yes, you're going to hear the reason why we haven't mentioned this man, because this man have been there, done that. Older man for all of them, man, all of these men. This is we are telling you now. This is a man grew up with Jim Brown. Yeah, that's when Jim Brown, when Rosetown was PMP community. You understand? Before, yeah, him know this is a man who know Jim Brown, and when Rosetown was a PMP community. And then after that, Jim Brown get shot, and him left this and moved to Mall Road. Yeah, man, Mall Road in a Kingston 11. And he's going to, and this is a man now where I tell you, you're going to hear some things. And you see all of the lies them that, because you have to understand, you know, you see, we reach a point in life where many people who have experienced all kind of trauma back then and eyewitness. So when I was telling people that I had witnessed police officer issuing guns in my community, you know, the people them know say are true, you know, but here now, them never want me to talk because I expose the Jamaica Constabulary Force being a wing of the PMP criminal organization. So that's why we tell you, you know, Corporal Rowan James is a danger to the Jamaican people. When you think I joke, me make you think say, me not fight no politics. Me love Jamaica, me no business, but they are liberator PMP. I say every Jamaicans as Jamaican. I experienced that. Living in a jungle, walking from concrete jungle, go straight down a pier. And nobody never treat you, say boy, we are PMP. Walk from this, so go straight through Mattis Lane and go a pier, go swim. You understand? Never grow as no Lego beast. So you're going to hear from this man. You know, this man, yeah man, them man all on George Pang and them thing, but you know, it's not, we don't highlight them money and them thing, because them man change them life, just like how Liquor 13 change. But them man just want to give some insight, because everybody, you know, most people are decide, say, boy, you know, I just free my conscience and them thing there, and I just attack, because I want Jamaica. And I see it, I want Jamaica, we want this division where, you understand, yeah, we want to take it back and get back our country. So I want you to listen to this man, because you're going to hear for yourself who brought the guns in Jamaica. You're going to hear that for yourself today.
Hello, man. A PMP party bringing M16 in Jamaica first.
We know that. Because me see when police are issued it in my, the same camouflage bag, me see it. The police they made about 8 or 9 of them in a police chunk, you know, car chunk, you know. police are issue. I mean, I say, wait. Come, them telling me a little boy, and you know it go already, and I get to me, I'm a brief, you know, barefoot, no shirt, you know. You understand? And I like now we pick me walking in slippers and them thing there, you know it go already, and I get to.
Yeah.
Back, you understand? Yeah, man, me see it, man, they camouflage bag, man, with the rifle, them. You understand?
Yeah, man, you know about. I got me see the night, how me did it come down one car, in a car trunk, and a man just come with a barrow, and you know, straight at the barrow, and then go with it in my yard and thing.
And start to see it. A police would bring them come around it. I
don't know who bring it come. I see when the car come and then just take it and put it on one barrel. I mean, you say at 27, they didn't have the bag.
Each bag.
Yeah.
And that me the deer too. You understand?
Man.
That me the deer too.
You see the next day now? When I hear about his brother and car ready, the mother soldier.
No, me never hear about him.
Yeah, man, the police got kill him off a Seaward Drive, man.
Why them kill him?
The man deserved the arm, man, and take up politics, man.
Okay. He was a PMP.
Yes. In a different car time, some time.
Hey, that brother did terribly, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
So
I don't see the man upon the office where I sit down, man, and one tanker come up. And them a look panic, and them know them wanted, you know. I'm a point on him and say, you. Remember when you come at camp, they couldn't shoot. And make it if they shoot good. Yeah, man.
So what?
So the man.
No, man, talk.
Yeah, man, so the man them can't even rush him.
And him have him 16.
Oh, this one of them?
Yeah. You say him did a female legal gun on him then?
I never seen a gun on him, you know.
Oh.
And him close to him. But the man different still, but them respect him still.
Yeah.
But in this area, because I'm all a trainer up there too, you know.
Oh, he must want to instruct them.
Yeah, he kind of ready, man.
So I wish Olympic guy and police look him over.
No, in the live a Seaward Drive.
Yeah.
Era, but in Clone Amar Road. Yeah, man. I run in there every day.
Yeah.
So them find out where I live. And them bombard them house. And one piece of fight can thick and strong, you know. Thick and strong, man. And one time the police point a matic on him and him put him finger behind the trigger and jam it. Behind the hammer. Yeah, behind the hammer.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I struggle between them and them in the house and I overpower him and kill him in the house, man.
So he never have no gun?
He never get to reach for no gun.
Oh, he did have him go. Oh, okay. But them just wet him up on them thing there.
Yes. And then they have our next police one too. And them used to do most of the things, them, man. And they call him Gully Ride, but he was police. And me, I think I got dead. Yeah, man.
He must one of them who fight political war too.
Yeah, man. When I time I say, I come on in a Jeep, and I say some, I just shot at them, going in a Jeep with them, and I say, oh my God, here what got now. And I put up on my road and I wait, and I look after that,
So I see, that me I tell you, in time me I grow to, you know, that me used to see happen to, you know, where police come pick up the man them in a ear with the legal gun, you know. And then after that, the man them come back and them about so much labor, them kill and them thing there, you know. And when me tell people them things, them I say, boy, you know, if you say them thing there. Oh, them thing they not right and them thing there. You understand? What me do, me say everybody, you know, me not be care where you labor right or PMP, you know. The whole of we are Jamaican and we are black people. Why you celebrate for you kill a next man? Because he must say him a labor right or him a PMP. Me can't tell you nothing what's happening in a labor right here, because I never live in a one of them thing there.
I want to done from long at 12, and never bar in a clad shoe. Whenever you about.
Yeah, man, him dead in the 90s.
Yeah, clad shoe. And never bar there was a lot of mango they got buy up the car and thing there. I let them shoot up and shut up couple man, but they never dead still. The police and
you see him police see him Gully Ride.
Yeah, man. Make me say, have you seen pick up the man them? You know what happened? Some just, you know, they listen for it.
So a police vehicle in pick up the man them in it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I see him thing the man them used to do in a mic up. But I mean, you know, and more, me not tell a lie still, you know. Remember, say back in them time, you know, most of the police them work at town, you know. A country them come from, you know.
Come on, for real.
You understand? Because all Trinity reach back at town and swap with a man, you know. Because him used to that St. Elizabeth and I swap with the next police, he come at town.
Oh, okay.
What? For you come from town, man, for you born at town and them thing there. And you left training school, a country you go, man. You understand? When me graduate, them they send me go beat on for temporarily, but me get transfer a Clarion and them send me. You can't go, no. You have to be you have to politically connected and know people, you understand, in the thing for them send you, you understand?
Yeah,
so you get to work at all and them thing there.
When you say you grow up at the ghetto, and you not deal with thieving and them thing there, I believe you, because you know why? You know why I believe you? Believe me, I'm never steal anything from anybody. Not a single person can ever look at me and tell me something at thief.
Yeah.
Gentlemen,
and if you don't around me, and you around me, yeah, you can't do no thieving thing.
I left a couple messages on your phone. You did not return
I've
my
never
call,
steal nothing from nobody.
I understand why you might not want to return my call. Well, anyway, I have to call you back again because you're warping now. Yes, you're doing a very good job. No doubt about that. Like you, I would love to see Jamaica a better place. You understand? As far as the criminality environment where, you know, I destroy the island. It been a go on because me born and come see it a go on. You understand? And it's gonna take a lot for change. Make the changes them for make Jamaica nice again like how it used to be. But anyway, at the same time, it now go better and it now go change because you're warping now. When them have people like Carl, you know, I pass around wrong information. You understand? And attack things when are accurate. You understand? Cause me listen to you know, and me see it, people I tell you things. And you run with it. And the people where I tell you the things them, they are not 100% accurate or even facts. You see me I say, and that not cool my youth. You understand? Cause right there, so you endanger people life. As well as you mix up yourself too. You see me I say my youth? Because you got to talk about all evening tide home fire. And some man name when me hear you call, say them man they involved in an evening tide home fire. Road boy, lie. Lie tell my youth. Me can't tell you that, say lie tell. Zane, as some know say, a people are tell you things. You get what me I say, road boy? You dig? People are tell you things. Them man name what you call them things. Them man not involved in that. Me can't tell you that. A concrete jungle, me come born a trench town and grew in a hornet garden. And as I tell you before, my family are the biggest family in a hornet garden. A Lenkerai my father, my youth. Me hear the dude, Liquor 13, mention my old man name when I tell you about George Pang and Tony Welch and Ray. You call Lenkerai name? A Lenkerai my father. Zane? And me know my father never involved in that. And me know none of the man from my scheme, which is Jungle Top scheme, never involved in that. Come let me tell you something what you never know. Pegasus and Jungle are the two first scheme them that were built. Everywhere else built after. Angola, Brooklyn, Havana, Texas, Mexico, Zimbabwe, everywhere else built after. You see me I say? You see the man that come from my scheme, which is Top Jungle, people call Top Jungle, original Arnett Garden, Jungle. Yo, the man them where God deal with poor house thing couldn't talk to the man them over in a jungle. That me I make you know. Tiger Welch, yes, he was the boss, yes, but him couldn't rule or control the man them where come from my scheme. Him couldn't talk to my father. Him couldn't talk to Spurline. Him couldn't talk to Dubal. Him couldn't talk to Mr. Wax. Zane? Joe Brown and them man there, yeah, them kill Joe Brown because them claim say Joe Brown violate the thing. You see me I say? But certain man, not him couldn't get no talk. You understand? And the man them underneath Mr. Welch regime and them man they got deal with the thing. So don't call up some man name me here you call up. All you tell upon them man them my youth. You understand? Him couldn't tell them man if go do that. And that me I make you know. You understand? And enough of the little things mirror the man out away. It not accurate, my youth. And if you say you want to run a program like we are run, get your facts straight, man. Stop pass misinformation. You understand? Because you put people life in a danger right there, so. Me you call a next man name, so the man live a kind of cut and eye. Where you do them thing there for my youth? Where you do them thing there for? I tell people whisper the man live and I call out the man government. Yo, them man they grow me. Them man they grow me. And look there. I never even know him right name. And you are ball out the man right name. Everybody know them the man that has Spurline or Congo. Sperm. Zane? No man, no people that know say the man name where you call out him right name. You can't do them thing to my youth. I eat that thing that you do my youth. I tell you that straight up. You see me? But go on do your thing, if you feel like it's something good you do. Go on do your thing. Because y'all contradict yourself in some of the argument them. First you say a police barry and big youth, you see as a little youth a issue gun, they are going to say a Tony's falling, mash up the place with gun. Then me ask you a question now. If the man them don't rima arms up for themselves and want come up in a jungle for come take over jungle, the man them up a jungle for arm up themselves too and defend themselves. Eh? I don't like how the man raise my youth because you what? You say you're not involved in a politics, whether you're a Liberty or PMP, you're not involved in that, but at the same time, you lick out from PMP. You lick out from PMP a way dog like so well then PMP mash up Jamaica. A PMP do this and PMP do that. Yo, the first big set of gun will come at Jamaica. A labor right bring them come at Jamaica. You try know that. The first big set of gun will come at Jamaica. Me did not talk about the M16 them. Zinka that come after. A labor right them gun to come for. And when M16 come at Jamaica, a labor right them come for. Zin? Because remember, Siaga did a link with America. Because through them a jackyard and say Michael I got turn communist through my Fidel Abridging. Yo, America send a whole heap of gun come to Jamaica for arm up the party where America are back, which is the JLP party. So all of them M16 there, at them it come for. I find out the man them up a Rockford, find out about the gun them. I'm going to lift off some of the gun them off of the ship. And them thing they have to know and stop spread wrong information, my youth. That no cool, my youth. Zane, yo, more why you call me still, you know. More why you call me because your argument them not straight, my youth. You pass up whole heap of wrong information, my youth. I tell you the truth. Whole heap of wrong information you pass. You understand? And the man need to stop it. Not true some of the man them where you call them name dead and gone. May the man them rest in peace, star, and stop the life pan the man them, my youth. Zane, as some know say, you no come from Arnett Garden. Because if you did come from Arnett Garden, you would not talk so. You're more accurate with the argument them. You see me? Anyway, peace out, my brother. Cool.
Yeah, so you have listened to Lenkirai son. Yeah, man, his name is Dwayne Douglas. Yeah, that's Lenkirai son. Yeah, Lenkirai is the brother of Turnaball. Yeah, man, and if you are from the ghetto and understand how ghetto is run, you know that no mural cannot be put up for anyone or name in a place within the community unless you're not a law-abiding citizen. Just put it as mildly as that. So when people are going to tell you things, you know, just ignore them. Because you will never see a mural on any wall for me in Jonestown or Concrete Jungle showing me as a youth who was born and raised in a community. Yes, you understand? And left the community, joined the Jamaica Constabulary Force, you know, was a detective, very successful detective, incorruptible, you know, could not be corrupted by those within the police force. You will never see a mural of me on the wall in Jonestown. Nowhere. And then transition after being a detective in Jamaica, working at one of the toughest police area, Huntsby police area. Yeah, you know that Huntsby police area, St. Andrews South. That's where the most wanted men always rise up from. It's like a conveyor belt of parasites or keep. It's like chink, that's how them breed. And all of these community are PMP community. And what I say without any apologies. And I can tell you this. And yeah, I am telling you from memory. And I don't care what you or what the others want to say. The labor communities that I know in St. Andrews South have the least or no crimes. Towile, labor community that. Least or no crime. Maybe you'll get maybe a one shooting for the year in that community. And the next place named Compound and Falcon or Seaview. I don't know if no other labor communities within Huntsby police here and part of Kling Avenue. It's just all of the entire place is PMP community. I would tell, remember, 98% of the men who are in prison, they are from PMP communities. So you have listened to that, man. Yeah, so Lenkirai son, so more or less, you know, he's calling, he's saying that it's Tony Welsh who is responsible for killing the 144 people. He's the one that was his project. Tony Welsh could not just did it by himself. And I'm telling you, although he's trying to clear the name of the other men them, it was not Tony Welsh. It's because Tony Welsh is dead, that's why he's calling up Tony Welsh's name. And Tony Welsh, as he said, and his father, who was a killer too, Lenkirai. So you understand? And the others, that's why he's calling up Tony Welsh's name. But what he has done, and he didn't even realize, is that he has exonerated the men them from Tivoli Gardens. Because, you know, for decades, you know, the people in Jamaica have it to say it's the Tivoli Garden men that kill the people them at Eventide. So what this man, you know, remember, he's the son of a known murderer, killer, Lenkirai. You hear Liquor 13 talk about him, because Liquor 13 wasn't telling you about any Boy Scouting. He was telling you about gangster people who kill people. George Sprang, Lenkirai, Spurline, you understand, Tony Welsh, all of these men, all of them were killers. You understand? And Liquor 13 told you about them. And this man proudly is embracing his father. But later on, you're going to hear him. We're having a conversation, and he's going to tell you, this same man, you know, because I call him. And you're going to hear this same man. Yeah, man. Dwayne Douglas is saying that his father, yeah, man, his father was a good criminal. Me never hear nothing like that yet. So we're going to debunk that myth. So now that the people, yeah, because we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you know, we are not taking any, we are not in the pocket of any political party. You know. We have no friends in high places. All we are all about is Team Jamaica. We just want back with Jamaica. We want it back from these people. And them know themselves. Yeah, the 63 people in the parliament we want back our country from. Because they are the one that destroyed. You understand? We had the country that was coming back until February 1989. And look at about blood. At the time I was a young police officer. At the time when you were police, you were like God in Jamaica. You understand? And criminals used to live in a fear of losing their lives. You understand? It's Michael Manley, PJ Patterson, mash up the country when it come on to crime. PJ Patterson is the one that escalate and put criminal on a pedestal. You understand? Murderers and all those things. Them never see a murder where they will never love. So when a guy I go talk, just hey, look here, just remember, when time Tony Brown and George Flash returned from Cuba after they were in exile for close to 13 years for murdering Ted Ogilvy. You understand? It's the same PMP government keep a big celebration party for them out of East Kingston near to Warkyle. And police couldn't even go there. The amount of gunshot where them fire from illegal gun and the Prime Minister is there. So I don't know what you're talking about, what you people talking about. I'm not here holding no balls to nobody, man. Boy, you behave like you're a labourer. No, man, look. I'm not no labourer, you know. I'm not PMP. I am a Jamaican. And I someone everyone to see each person. These are the things we want to get rid of. And, yeah, and, you know, when you speak the truth, if you notice who's offended, it's the same people who are members of the PMP criminal organization. For decades, you know, this man at the bottom, you know, I have never met him, I don't know him, I am not related to him. Just one year ago, I and Jim Brown and all the family and Claudia myself. That's why I take up for labor, right? That's how them people are fool, you know. Them don't, because as you hear this man, you know, they don't use the people, you know, who's from within their community, you know, to speak the truth. Because they were, remember when I told you, you know, that coming up from this community, from Jonestown and Concrete Jungle, you are cultured, nurtured, socialized, yes man, and prodded to be a criminal-minded person. You're supposed to be a narcissist. You're supposed to be a pathological liar. You're supposed to be professional in your line, and you must be a consistent liar. Nothing named truth not supposed to come in your mouth. And you're supposed to hate every labor, right? And you're supposed to hate the police, because police are your biggest enemy. Yeah, Babylon and all them things there. We will tell you. We're not over here for sugarcoat anything for anyone, for make anyone feel comfortable. We just tell you the truth. So some people not going to like us, but hey, we're not here in a popularity contest, and we're not looking to vote, and we're not a celebrity. We just want back our country, and we want it back from these people, because they are the one that destroy the lives of all of the youths them. Because trust me, up to now we haven't identified a leader like a Edward Siaga. We want somebody who's a leader who can let the people them know what is right and what is wrong. We saw what happened even with Popcorn at the Unruly Fest. Up to now we don't see the opposition leader denounce his little corrosion and behaviour, or the Prime Minister, because them don't want to offend the degenerates in the population because of votes. Them afraid to alienate them. But if you don't lead the people, them, how are you going to take them to the promised land? By election and election, we are in the election watch now, you know, so everybody hold them cards to them chest. Nobody no want offend no one because they want power. Because you have to understand, you know, whether or not you want to believe it, don't go fool that believe, say, these people love poor people. They won't go say that, but they don't love poor people. They won't go love themselves. So, moving on. So, welcome to our channel. If this is the first time here, we highly recommend subscribing to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above. Yeah, man. Click on the bell icon and select all to receive notification whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Yeah, man. Remember to give the video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and informative. And if you don't, you're at the wrong place, because over here, you know, it's not for criminal supporters. You know, we don't like them, you know, period. We don't care who's the guy or who's the girl. You know that's why introduction before you even listen to it, you know. So I don't know how some of you people now have no shame and you still listen to it. Because we don't want you over here, you know. If you don't intend for change and you intend for support criminality, you could have ball and call and we're not going to change because that is not our job. We're not here. This is not an entertainment channel, you know. If you notice, we are the only channel where tell people, say, boy, we don't want you to subscribe if you have certain philosophy. So on the numbers, we're not in a numbers game. We just all about Team Jamaica. We just want back our country. That's what we want it back from these people. And them know who are the one who is still responsible for destroying the people's minds. And that is what we're all about. We're not on the guy's side. We're on Team Jamaica side. That's it. So we don't care when a guy wants to say, or a girl. And man, I come, boy, you know, come from us because we're in a program like you, we can think. We have good parents and we have good family members. You understand? Yes, we have good family members who used to have like literally hug we up every day. Them check pan we. You understand? And make sure so we are do. Not only who's right, but what is right. And I pay a big man and them thing that was our friend. So no look a cut, no look a idiot thing. You understand? So we glad for that. You know, see. So despite some misinformation, it is important to clarify that there's no like button on YouTube. So please use the thumbs up button to show your support. On the other hand, if you choose to hit the thumbs down button, we kindly request you consider it, as it helps to understand your concern better. Because once you hit the thumbs down button, you know, see, he's a criminal supporter. You're at the wrong channel. We don't want you over here. We are telling you, period. So we don't know how you reach this far. That's how you go touch all at the button there. You know, go elsewhere, man. You understand? You know, see it. So by joining the Patreon squad, you'll gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click on the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allow you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulation while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. So you know, so we have to protect the channel because we have to keep spreading the message. Because as I said before, you know, all we do, we just want back Jamaica. That's it. We just want it back from these people and we can't get it back. And we know if we get it back on them thing there, you understand? You know, see it. So thank you for your continuous support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. Remember to click the subscription button and the bell icon and select all. So moving on. So right now, we're going to let you listen to this man now. That I see a man, you know, who I tell about the Eventide killing, and him say is Tony Wells. Them do it. Cause you hear him, he's the one, you know. He's the one, you know. I show you. You know, them say, you know what a liar always yet. Liars always yet somebody with a good memory, you know. So you're going to hear this man now. So we're going to have a conversation with him. So we'll call him because, and when we call this man and have a conversation with him, you're going to hear what he has to say. Yeah, man, we'll call him. Because we don't just willingly call people like that, you know. You understand? Because, trust me, as we said before, and we'll say it again, this is not our full-time job. We are not a full-time YouTuber, although we put in a lot of work, research and everything, because we love Jamaica. Listen to me now. I didn't even mention it earlier and everything there. I was a police in Jamaica. Yeah, detective, work at Unsby. May I tell you straight up, I wasn't an ordinary detective. I wasn't your white shirt detective and pretty boy, you know, street cop. And I work with one of the baddest police ever since Trinity and Tom Levine left Unsby. No other detective, no other police can come nowhere near him. Yeah, man, I work with the baddest. The baddest. When we say the baddest, the man that send the most criminal to the departure along. I'll bully a man from Natty Morgan gang. May I tell you that? This is how yeah. He was my partner for years. And I view him as my brother. You understand? Yeah, you know, because it was, you know, each one to each one. Bad police. So, as we tell you before now, so we want you to listen to this guy. And after that, then we'll continue the journey. Because, you know, some people, boy, I tell you, I don't know what kind of people are these. And as I said before, you say if you don't respect yourself, you cannot respect another person. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. You just listen to him. This is Lenky Rye's son. We're having a conversation. Yes, and I will tell you, you know, and I want you people, I want to say you people, I don't know how you take it as an insult or feel offended. When I say you people, it's just a generalization. It's not subjective to you. It's not, you understand what I'm saying? It's just, you know, just making a general statement, talking about, you know, people who talk a certain way. I would say people who talk a certain way and them thing there. If you're going to use certain language to describe, call me like N-word, or I don't want nobody call, I make a video last year and tell people, I don't want nobody call me no dog. I don't want nobody call me no charge, no G, no rude boy. I am none, no, just call me Chris. Nobody with that. You understand? You know, see, I don't want nobody to call me that and them thing there. So you watch, you listen, you decide. Yeah, man, Mr. Douglas.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, Jamaica Young Police.
Wow, man.
Yeah, man, that's how you will get, you know, that's when you will get a response first. When you leave a message and your message is clear, you know, and you just call and miss call and there's no message, so you understand what I'm saying? It can be spam. You understand? And we don't return calls to numbers that we're not able to identify.
I understand that.
Yes. So and we have listened to your voice messages, so returning your call to address your concerns. You know, let you address your concerns. Yeah. And you know, so you can go ahead and say what you want to say, man.
No, well, you're whopping. No, I just certain little thing where you're misinformed. I understand that more.
Misinformed with what?
All right. Number one. My little cousin, what you call Freckles.
Yes.
I'm a cousin of that.
Okay, so yeah, talk. Willie Agat. So you are related. Yes. So you are related to.
I am not related to Willie. I'm related to Freckles' mother. Freckles' mother is my auntie.
Okay, that mean she's.
That mean Turnabout's. Turnabout's where you talk about. That's my uncle.
Okay, so Turnabout brother is your father.
Exactly.
Lenkirai.
Exactly.
Okay, so alright, so let me get this straight on him thing. I'm just attack. How old are you?
I am 52.
Okay, so how old are you then?
Well, I figure that not by much.
No, not by much. That's true.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm done. Like I said, I listen to you and listen. Mr. Man, listen before me say anything. You know. You understand?
Yes.
And when you mentioned that a certain area was still in high school, I'm like, okay, well, this man can't be much older than me. As them time me in high school too. But I think I just started done robbing first from them time then. You understand? Because but the America from me a youth, you know, but the America from me a 14.
You're the America from so you're there from 1985?
Yeah, around them time them come here.
Okay. And you still maintain your Jamaican accent and everything?
Of course. I mean, I could yank very well, but you know what I'm saying, if I'm speaking to my own Jamaican, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, all right, cool.
And speaking American was very easy for me because I left Arnett Gardens when I was 10 years old.
So we went to live then?
We went uptown. My father did buy a house for me uptown.
Where?
Right in front of Bob Marley Museum, right off of Oak Road.
So you still want that place?
Of course.
Okay, that's cool.
You know, that's where Freckles used to live. So when you're not going to talk about Freckles just born a jungle. And people know that Freckles is a twin. So if you say you come from Scarface Pathway, which year that you used to live at Scarface Pathway?
Well, if you don't listen to the channel, you will hear that that's where I left from. I went to the Jamaica Police Academy.
Yes, what year? What year was that?
1987.
1987. All right, Freckles live uptown them time there.
I don't know him, you know. I don't know him personally. The younger person I know is his father.
Okay.
And his father and I, we weren't friends.
Okay.
To put it mildly like that.
All right. So what year did you move to Scarface Parkway?
You just asked me, I'm telling you.
What year did you move? You said you moved from there, 87.
Yes.
What year did you move there?
Why, you want me to give you a context about my background?
No, because listen, a big man.
Yeah.
If you say that. All right, hold on. Let me tell you my story first.
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you my story first. My family.
Yeah, man. All right. Hold on. All right, you called me on them thing there. So
yeah,
you talk about your father, Lenky Rai. So
yeah,
Lenky Rai is the brother of your of Turnerball. Was Lenky Rai was your father a law-abiding citizen?
If he was a law-abiding citizen,
that's what I said. Yes.
You know say in the ghetto.
No, me not ask you about in the ghetto.
I'm gonna answer your question.
Let me
answer.
It's yes. Look here. Listen. Look here.
Yeah.
You can answer yes or no. Then after that, you elaborate. Was your father?
No, he wasn't a law-abiding citizen.
Okay, so your father was a criminal then.
If my father was a good criminal.
No, there's nothing good about criminal.
No. There are good.
No. There's okay. Tell me.
Like me here, boy, explain to you the other night. Say you have gunmen, I have killers.
Mm-hmm.
I have top rankings.
Yeah.
My father was one of the man them. Mm-hmm. First of all, when Annette Garden,
no man, talk about your father, man.
I'm not talk about my father, old man. I'm talk about my old man, the road boy.
So yeah, you start get agitated already.
Because you jump down my throat about criminals and this and
so,
that.
So okay, so if somebody is not a law-abiding citizen, they're a criminal.
Right. Okay, hold on. You say my father saved police already at Jamaica.
No, nothing wrong with that. Hey, look, all right. So, look,
he's a criminal. He's a criminal.
Yes, I look. Hold on. So let me interject right there. And look, Christopher Dudus Coke, who's a criminal from Tivoli Garden, seems to have one detective life from from Zeke's them kill him, where Buju Banton tell Zeke's them to kill the police so that him can win the ganja case to get back him license gun. And Dudus, a labor right, intervene and said no.
Listen, now that I don't care about the labor right.
No, but I just tell her, because I'm a criminal. Yeah. We are telling him I'm a criminal. We not say him an angel. Dudus a criminal. So right, just like what you said, so we are sure you say, criminal, some criminal, do some good things too. We're not going to take that from them.
You better know that.
Of course.
You better know that.
Them know that, man. Hey, look here.
My father, one of the man who make Annette Garden is what it is today. Try know that.
Oh, it is today.
Go and do your research, my nigga.
No, look here. Look here. Look here. Yes, when you go talk to me now, between me and you know.
Yeah.
Don't ever use that terminology to me.
What terminology?
Don't ever call me. Don't. If you're gonna talk to me like that, man, end the call. Don't disrespect me. Cause me not disrespect you.
Me not disrespect you.
No. Look here. No.
Aren't you a Negro?
No, listen to me.
Aren't you a Negro? You're white. You're not a Caucasian.
Listen to what I'm saying. If you want to devalue yourself, that is fine. I respect myself. So you say if you're
I'm a Negro.
That is.
I'm a 100% Negro.
Listen,
African, but that's born in Jamaica.
Listen.
Manchester, them come from Africa. So I'm a Negro.
Listen what I'm saying.
Come on, man.
Listen to me. I may say it to you again. I may say it calmly. Because I don't want you feel like say I am being biased or this or that and them thing. More you listen to me.
Man.
Well, this man, listen to me, man. Once you talk to me and them thing, you talk to me. You say if you don't respect yourself, that's fine. But show me some respect. Because I'm not disrespect you. Please, look here. You say whenever you talking to me, I don't want you to use the word no N-word, because I am not. Do not listen to what I'm saying, man. Do not refer to me as no. All of them here where people call people about dog and G and this and that.
What's your name?
If you listen to the channel you'll hear.
No, I'm not calling a young police.
No, man.
What's your name?
What's your name? Why you not listen? My name is Chris. My last name is Porter. My name is Chris Porter. And look here, I was a detective. I used to work at Unsold. You understand? I wasn't an ordinary police. I was a youth that emulate man like Tom Levine. You understand what I'm saying? I wasn't a licky or thief in police. I do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives. Not the law-abiding citizens. Period. So when you talk to me on them thing there, you know, I would appreciate it if you don't have any respect. As I said to you before, if you don't respect yourself, you can't respect others. I respect myself. Listen to me. I respect myself and I respect you. But if you don't respect yourself, you can't respect others. You understand?
Listen, me not pay certain things to man. I mean, I go say me a belittle myself if me call my if I to certain word. Okay, well anyway. In case you do not know
words of powers, okay?
Rude boy.
Even look here. Even that don't call me that. I have never seen myself as I tell you already. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I am a detective. I was a detective. Work at Unsby. I work all over in Jamaica as a police officer. Spend most of my years at Unsby police station. Listen to me, man. I have never seen myself as a rude boy. And please don't refer to me in a derogatory term. Not because not because I am from the same community as you. I don't see myself aligned with the philosophy of the way that you people, like, how we speak to each other.
You people, you keep saying that.
Yes.
You keep saying that. You people.
Then just what you do, you call me rude boy. I don't want you to talk to me like that.
All right. Well, it's like what you don't. You like that terminology? I don't like the term you people. I don't like it.
All right, so let me tell. All right, so that
don't categorize me, boy. You people.
Okay, so let me explain that to you now. Why I said that, because of the way that people communicate with each other and refer to each other. That's why I said that. That's why I said you people. I don't want that kind of reference to me. I call me a rude boy. I mean, I see myself as a rude boy.
You know what? Let's start over again. Let's start over.
No, man, you never start. You can't continue. You can't continue. Me just want you to get it clear still. Me know what? I am not going to disrespect you. Don't disrespect me. Don't call me no name and them thing. Call me Chris.
All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. You made that clear.
Mm-hmm.
Back to my old man now. Yes, my father was a criminal, but he was a good criminal.
To you.
My old man used to feed the whole jungle. If you say which criminal you know, nobody I feed the whole community. Which criminal you know, can make people walk from Rima, them not to take the long way go around and walk for God crossroad.
All right, hold on. All right, thank you. All right, just let me ask you now a question now. So you say just listen to man. So yes. you say your father was a criminal and him feed the people in my jungle. So so let me ask you this now. So where your father get money from to provide these meals?
Where does them get money from?
Listen to me now, Mr. Douglas. Just answer my question. I am not talking.
I don't know. I was a kid.
Okay. All right. So
I was a kid.
All right. So you don't have any idea where your father gets his money from to feed the people them?
Where most of the
look here now.
I don't know. My father was a contractor, my youth. He was a contractor.
Contractor for what?
My father was a contractor.
Yeah, with who?
What do you mean with who?
May I ask you? I don't know. May I ask you, sir? Are you your father, you know?
He was a contractor, dog. That's all you need to know.
Well, you're the man again, man. Look here, though. Please, I decide third time. And
that's all you need to know. That's all you need to know.
Let's listen to me now, man. Please.
Yeah.
Yes, when you refer, I am older than you. Whenever you refer to me, please do not use any derogatory terminology. When I was growing up, when somebody called you a dog, I don't know about you. That would be a fight. Please don't refer to me as a dog. In Jamaica, we know what dog used to do. So I don't want even to go down there. Yes, sir. Yes.
Chris. Again, the only reason why I called and I left because you left some misinformation. Y'all smear upon my cousin name. Y'all disrespect all my auntie. I call her illiterate.
Yes.
You can't do that, my youth. You don't know my auntie.
Okay. All right. So look here. If a woman don't respect herself, when you're gonna tell,
she don't respect herself. If you're gonna tell lie, if somebody gonna tell lie on your child, you're not gonna defend your child, yes or no?
Which child?
Yes or no?
No, which child?
No. Yes or no? If someone offend your child, character, or name, aren't you gonna defend your child? Yes or no?
Yeah, man. The truth will always prevail.
No.
So the truth
yes or no? Just answer the question,
different what? If you know, if you know your self-worth and you know what your child has done, you know, nobody.
What did he do? What does my little cousin do? What did my little cousin do?
Nobody never say he did anything. What did I?
Boy, you drag him name in the mud.
What?
You drag him name in the mud.
In what way?
Deport from America for selling drugs and all them. You forgot to do that, man. You don't know what really took place.
Okay, and she say he wasn't deported.
Him deport himself.
Him deport himself. Okay, all right, fine.
You did not know so you can't sign out yourself if you don't want to stay in prison.
No,
you didn't know that.
Look here now, just listen what I'm saying. Of course I know. Of course. So we're all right. You talk to a big time PMP activist, a brother named Peck, and him say how much time him come to America and him get deported and him thing there. Him the fight because him knows him not born in America. Him just deport himself and spend him 3 or 6 months at jail. In a ice, and then him send him back, and then after that him come back.
Well, that's what my little cousin did.
Okay, all right. So,
Mr. Christopher.
All right, thanks. So listen to me now, Mr. Douglas, Lenky Roy, son. So, your message with Eventide and them thing there, and I really appreciate your candor. You know when you stated everything that's you correctly you are telling me that that the people them that the men who have named based on what the community has said then that they are not the ones who burned down Eventide. It was really Tony Welsh and his men.
I never listen. Don't mix me up with my brother, man.
So
don't mix me up.
So what you say?
The only thing I said was the man them name where I call say them do it is not them man they do that good. I'm Chris.
So no didn't you?
It's not them man they do it.
All right. So you didn't say it was Tony Welsh them.
I don't remember calling nobody's name.
Okay. Well, me like how you say that. You understand? Because one thing with me, I don't tell lie on people, You see that
I don't remember calling nobody. All I said was the man them name that you call. You call certain individual name, and I tell you say it's not them man there.
Yes.
Responsible for that.
Yes. All right. So the only thing that look here. The only way we can move forward as a people, you see, once we start being honest with ourselves, we not take side and all them things there. And that's how we get Jamaica better. You see, if we continue to lie to ourselves about any and everything, we're not going to get better as a people, and we're going to continue to live in these lies, and that is what I want the people them to stop living. You understand? I remember one time we as Jamaicans, we used to be honest people. We weren't like this. We know that there was a set of people in Jamaica who were criminal minded, who believe in crime, committing crimes, and embrace criminality. You understand?
Well, listen.
Yes.
The world is like that, and it's the system make people behave the
no,
way
No, look here. You see, excuse our lies. We not make no excuse about no world and them thing. Not because if the world doing certain things that is immoral, that means to say we have to do it too. Why we can't?
I never said that.
So why? So that's an excuse.
Said was a lot of people do things because of the system.
What? Okay, so kill it. Okay.
Hold on. You was just one of the lucky, fortunate ones. Will come from well, never use the word garrison then.
Yes.
Made it to the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Yes.
You were one of the few. You think you were the only one who lived to get to that whenever I have the ambition, my youth, I wanted to get out?
Mm-hmm.
Eh? Circumstances make some people that forget do things, my youth.
Okay, so that's why it go right back to parentage and family. You understand? So you are saying that I love your candor, your honest and thing. You understand? In regards to to the things. So you're saying that. So the same thing that you are saying, like your sister now. You're saying that you cannot believe that I am from jungle and I am talking against the PMP.
Yes.
What?
You talk against the PNP, Christopher.
Okay, all right. So let me hold on.
I am not GLP neither, you know.
Yeah, man. Hey, look here. Let me tell you this.
Like I said, been here since I was 14.
Yes.
And sorry. And my arrival in America, I have met a lot of labor rights that I went to school with. My baby mother, my two first kids, their mother, a garden she come from. So I don't really have nothing against labor rights. But yo, listen, a PMP feed I and I from my little picnic.
Alright, so
we can't look out on them.
Alright, so listen to me now. And I want you to listen to me keen. You see, I am the kind of person now. I am totally different from most people from within the garrison. I speak what I have seen, and I just believe in my truth. Let me tell you this. You say if you are my family member and you commit crime, me have family, and you commit crime and them thing there. When I was a police officer, a detective, if you think that you're gonna get any refuge or coverage from me, a wrong person you will come to. I tell you that. So that for sure you kind of mindset with me that I have. So when you ever say that I am talking against the PMP, I am just talking the truth. Tell me, am I anything that I said about the PMP being a criminal organization and all the things, have you heard one lie that I tell about them?
Both of them. If you're
listen to me. We soon get to that point. I soon get to that point. Tell me, have I lied? Have I told any lies about the PMP? In all of my,
I don't know. I don't live in Jamaica. I live here in America.
Oh, okay. So you weren't living.
I don't know.
All right.
I don't know.
Okay, because I know most of the things that I said. You know that at that time you were still in Jamaica and you were in jungle too.
All right. Well, listen. Here my take on the part now. You talk about.
Okay. Hold on. Just listen to me, man.
Yeah.
All right. I'm you know before moving on, because you know me like in time we get things and we literally when we are pretty much on the same page. You understand? You just start about the you know talk about the both of them I see them, the both political party I see them.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So tell me why you say both of them I see them. Then I will answer you.
Because the two of them, all them do is promise the people them, and nothing has been achieved. You understand? The both side of them give the youth them gun for go do things, for go commit crime, and like people said back in the 80s, just to get votes.
It cannot be in the 80s. That have to be in the 70s. In the 80s, them political war did stop.
I mean that the 80s policy. So 1980 was one of the biggest elections in Jamaica.
No, 80s. I never said 80. I said 80s.
All right.
After Siaga win, we never have no more political war. The political war started at this year. It started at Gregor Park. Anyway, so continue. You say about both political party. You say that they are the same.
Yeah, both political party did do things to make them countrymen get back weapons back home. Okay? Everybody was doing that, man. So don't come make it look like about PMP that them first that issue big gun and ray. Remember one time I was a little youth, a beer and gun then a jungle. Them time I remember them have submachine gun. A beer and gun then a jungle. 16 and none of them think them probably a little 303 rifle. If any submachine gun there, they probably one or two. Beer and gun jungle. Jungle man them about Malika youth.
Alright, did you listen to what Little 13? Little 13 are one of the four notorious gangster from then. Four of them, you know. You have a guy named Spranger. You have Vincent Morrison, Sperline. Him live in Connecticut. You have George Spang, who are Jamaica, and then you have Little 13. Four men who are either close to 70 or over 70s as bad men from back then. These are men who
all
use
that.
no, well,
All that. All that. You see,
listen,
all that.
listen what I'm saying.
No. All that. All that.
What?
Yo, yeah, more man about, man. Ease yourself.
No, we're not.
More man about.
We're talking about from all of these information.
I said
listen.
More men are still alive.
We're not talking about foot soldier. We're talking about men. We're talking about men who are leaders.
Brethren, you hear me say?
Yes.
More man still devout.
Well, the police them don't have that data.
It's all right.
Okay. Well, thank you. So, all right. So, you say both political party I see them. I hope to know. The only thing you compare them with issuing guns to young men for defend them community. All right. That's what you are saying. I am going to disagree with you. To tell you, listen now. Me know what you think about you and both of us from the same community. I just want you to think of me being a stranger to your community. Or you understand? Or somebody who is gonna come and tell you who come in your house and say dirty and tell you say dirty. Me not gonna tell you say clean when it dirty. So listen to me now. Why both political party and I see him? Why one of them? Not me talk to a big time PMP official this week. Like just like how me and him talk. And baseman after we start talking them thing there, even him elevate the PMP to a terrorist organization. I'm saying no criminality no more. Because we agree say both political party, yes, a criminal organization based on how them used to operate. But when I add this is an educated man, you know, who have a conscience. When I had mentioned certain things, he must say, well, them things that sound like terrorists. So I say, all right then. So the PMP is a terrorist organization. So I want you to listen to me now. All right. I want you to name. You say both political party are the same. I want you to name one judge. One judge that the labor right them kill. One in a Jamaica. Just name one judge that the labor right them kill in a Jamaica.
I don't know. So what? So well,
just listen.
It is wrong to kill a judge. Yes, it is wrong.
I am asked. Just look here, man.
I don't know. I left Jamaica when I was 14 years old. I told you that.
So you're so emotionally attached to the PMP, then you don't know. But you're gonna say things that you don't know.
No, I'm gonna talk with me no, cause you talk about some things in my era when I was living.
Okay, all right.
Notice I haven't debate on anything what happened since me left that stuff.
Okay,
last time I got Jamaica 94, my youth.
Okay.
The last time I visited Jamaica was 1994.
All right. So this hear this now. Can you name one okay? Yeah, and this happened before. This happened when you're there. Can you name one government official that the labor rights them kill in Jamaica that you know of?
I cannot pinpoint on any right now.
Okay. No, no. I'm not talking about no. I am just listen what I'm saying. I am talking about when you were living in Jamaica. Can you name one?
Yo, my nigga, you don't never gonna call you. Make get ignorant. Yo, where does you well about you just drag back my memory. Did you know about Ramadan?
I said it.
I said if you know who named Ramadan.
Ramadan was a member of parliament. I asked you a question. And
right.
Hold on. And look here.
Listen. Find out how Ramadan dead.
And listen to me now on him thing. Look here.
Christopher, go and find out how Ramadan died. You just drag back my memory now. You talk about any officials that labor right has ever killed. Go find out how Ramadan dead. My youth. Go find out about that first.
Anyway, look here. I have to end the call because you're being disrespectful. I tell you, don't call me no nigga. No, I'm not being
disrespectful.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of part one of this two-part series in which, yes, this man's son, Lenky Roy's son, Dwayne Douglas, you know, whose father was a notorious killer, from Concrete Jungle. And you have heard him, casting the blame on Tony Welch for killing the people of Eventide by exonerating the men of Tivoli Gardens. Remember that for decades, the same PMP, yes man, they were labeling the Tivoli Gardens men as the men, along with the CIA who killed these elderly women at eventide. But now you have heard it from yourself, because remember that his father was a part of it, you know. So he knew that his father was a part of the mass killing. So that's why he came out angrily. And then, yeah. And he's the same one who was talking about, boy, some of these men dead, make them rest in peace. Oh, terrorists rest in peace. Terrorists must be tormented until God come and continue to get tormented for them soul. You know, say, I'll really got dead and him wife have to move him. Because I'm a terrorist, even the same couldn't even find that song. Him couldn't even find for resting in a peace. You understand? Him dream a woman as if he move him. I never hear like that of them thing there, you understand? So, more or less, you know, him soul tormented. So stay tuned. Part 2 will be coming up shortly. As we say, you know, we are not in the pocket of any political party. We are just here, Team Jamaica, and we just want back Jamaica. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel.